University research across the nation relies on federal funding for support, and that includes Florida Atlantic University. Federal grants cover both the direct cost and the facilities and administrative costs related to any project being funded. FAU depends on federal agencies to fund a wide variety of projects across our 6 campuses along the southeastern coast of Florida. Research topics include medicine, communication, defense, ocean health, clean energy, artificial intelligence, and much, much more. Direct costs can be calculated on a project-by-project basis. These are expenses specific to the research project. They include supplies, equipment, outside contractors, travel, postdoctoral fellows, researchers, graduate and undergraduate students, and any other expenses directly related to the project. Facilities and administrative, or F&A, also known as indirect costs, are expenses borne by the institution as a whole to support the infrastructure necessary to conduct research. These expenses are partially reimbursed to the university as part of every grant. They enable FAU's research enterprise. Who sets the F&A rate and how? Facilities and administrative rates are negotiated with the federal government. The facilities portion is a complicated calculation that factors in how campus research space is utilized, including the number of faculty, staff, and students conducting federally sponsored research, as well as the percentage of time each one works in their space and the actual research expenditures. The administrative portion considers costs related to operating the entire university. This part of the rate is capped at 26%. What can F&A be spent on? The F&A rate charged to sponsored awards is meant to reimburse the university for those costs associated with conducting research that can't be easily identified or charged to just one project. According to Florida law, statute 1004.22, the cost to operate the Division of Research must be financed from the F&A generated by externally funded projects. The statute also allows F&A to be spent on other research programs. As the F&A recovered at FAU increases, the Division of Research will be able to further invest in the research enterprise. Detailed information about both direct and indirect costs can be found on our website.